Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a Maison Margiela Replica Trainers / sneakers review video for you all. Now I am beyond excited to show you guys my favorite shoes currently at the moment that I've been wearing non-stop since I got them. Honestly, they're so amazing. Spoiler alert. Now sorry if I've been talking about Margiela in the last couple of my videos quite a lot. I feel like I've been talking about this brand all the time. The reason why is because I'm currently obsessed. You know, when you have an obsession with a brand and you see the brand every single day, you learn about the brand every single day, you know, you get really inspired and influenced. And I've been eyeing on these shoes for a very long time now, and I was like, you know what, let me just go and get them. Because if you think of something for a very long time, if you can't get it off your mind, you like, let me just go and buy them so it's all over, and let me just see what the hype is all about, because they're actually quite hyped up, these shoes, and now I understand why they are so hyped up. I'm talking about these ones. These are the babies. These are the Maison Margiela Replica shoes. Now before I get into this review, let me show you guys the box. The box comes like this. Very nice, simple kind of gloss effect box, and it has the Margiela logo in here, and for shoes it's circled 22. Now if you guys don't know, they have 23 numbers, and each number represents kind of like a category. So the 22 represents the shoes section. For fragrances I know it's the number 3, and for the other ones I honestly don't know. The shoes are nice packed, and let me show you guys the dust bag. The dust bags are quite unique and very different. The dust bag looks like this. This is the dust bag that it comes in. It looks like a, I don't know, one of those things that, like a shower cap. It looks like a shower cap, or those kind of lab things that you wear for your shoes, those plastic cover-ups that you will go to like a science lab or something like that, which are in like blue plastic, whereas these ones are cotton, nice elastic cotton, and they will protect your shoes for traveling, or you can honestly put any type of shoes you want, or you can put something else. Good for traveling and good, you know, for bits and bobs, stuff like that. As much as I love the dust bag, I actually use another dust bag which is from Tod's. I use this dust bag in here, which is very lovely as well, because I have so many of these in my house, and it's another brand that I'm honestly obsessed with, the shoes. But these are the lovely trainers, you guys. They look so lovely and simple, yet very stylish. What I like about these shoes are they have this kind of suede effect in here. They have suede in here, and this is obviously the white things are all leather. If you look from this angle, can you guys see it has the cross like this? Now the cross is kind of iconic for Margiela because they have the crosses on the stitching of the clothes. So it kind of represents the same kind of brand aesthetics, I guess, brand logo. The laces are very nice in cream effect. The suede is a very like dusty gray, and the sole, guys, I've been wearing them non-stop, and look at the sole. They're not even dirty. I mean, sorry if they look a bit dirty, but honestly they're not dirty at all. The sole is kind of rubber, and it's obviously got the logo in here, and the 22 stands for the shoe department, like the shoe kind of category. And yeah, at the back there's nothing at the back. It's obviously got the gray thingies. Let me do like a 360 of these shoes. They look very lovely, and what I like about the inside, let me show you. I don't even do the laces, because the laces are, because it's got the, basically in here on both sides, in here and in here, it's got rubber, like a elastic band from the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got this kind of elastic band in here, so it's very easy to slide in and out your feet. And of course it's got the iconic Replica logo in here. So basically this is inspired, for the style description, it's the men's sports shoes. Originally is lambskin and calf split. Provenance is Austria, and the period is the 70s. So this shoes is inspired in the 70s in Austria, and is basically inspired by the men's sport shoes. I think you can take out the sole as well, which I'm not going to, but the sole is white, if you guys can see, and I've been wearing them honestly non-stop. Now this part of the leather is super soft. Like this part is so soft, it's so lovely. And let me guys show you, it's got like a gray leather stitching in here. Can you guys see? And it's got the 1, 2, 3, 4 till 23 numbers and the 22, and again it's circled and it says Margiela at the bottom in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So in terms of the details, in terms of the stitching, now look, all of the like the crossing in here is stitched. All of this is stitched, and yeah, in terms of the craftsmanship, in terms of the quality of the shoes, are honestly insane. I've never seen like a good quality craftsmanship of these shoes. Also, all of this leather in here is nice and padded, so it's super soft on the feet, and honestly I am beyond obsessed. Another good thing is, can you guys see the rubber is here at the front? Imagine you're hitting somewhere, and obviously this is suede, and suede tend to get very like dirty quickly and kind of scratch easily, so the rubber is in here, so it's all protected, so no matter if you hit on a surface, you will hit the rubber first and nothing will happen to the rubber because it's kind of this hard rubber, and you won't kind of scratch the suede. However, in terms of the cleaning, I've been told that if you get the shoes dirty, you need to get a brush, smaller brush, and kind of brush it off immediately, not immediately but obviously on the day, because you don't want the dirt to stick on the suede, because suede is very tricky to clean off with. And yeah, these are the way they look like. In terms of the comfort level, honestly, not gonna lie, these are one of the most comfortable trainers I've owned at the moment. They're more comfortable than my off-white shoes. The off-white ones are quite heavy and quite like sturdy, whereas these shoes are more comfortable, very light, and I love them so much. Another amazing thing is, if you think of white shoes, I used to have one white shoes from ASOS, and I used to have one white shoes from Adidas, and both of them I wore to death. Honestly, I wore them so much, and honestly they are all teared about. Obviously I threw them away, and I was like, white shoes are actually something that goes so much with everything in terms of styling. They look beautiful with kind of baggy jeans, like with my baggy Levi's jeans, they look so amazing. The way it fits, the way the fit folds, baggy jeans with these look beyond amazing. I wouldn't necessarily wear skinny, because I am not in the phase at the moment that I'm wearing skinny jeans anymore. I don't know, some reasons I am not into skinny at all. I used to wear skinny all the time, but not anymore. Baggy jeans with these are amazing, and also you can wear formal jeans, like formal trousers like black, grey, blues. You know, the choices are endless. What I love about these, you can style them up and down with a shirt, with a t-shirt, you know, with hoodies. It's a very kind of semi-casual, kind of smart shoes as well, but mostly in the casual form. If you want to really go casual, this looks beyond amazing with casual wear, and I'm really excited to style these shoes more. So definitely follow me on my TikTok and on my Instagram, all at Drama Blogger, where you will definitely see me styling these shoes, and I'm sure I've featured them already on my Instagram because I'm already obsessed. In terms of the colorways, if you're not a fan of the whites, they come a bunch of different type of colors. Trust me you guys, they come a bunch of different type of colors. They come in a blue. The reason why I'm mentioning the blue, because there's another pair of shoes which is on my wish list. The blue, which is like a dark blue turquoise, not turquoise, light blue, like a sky blue. Oh my god, so beautiful, so beautiful. I love it so much. This is on my wish list. They also come in a brown, they come in a tan, they come in a black, all black version. If you don't like the orange rubber sole, they also have different type of rubber kind of soles, so the choices are endless. They come from a bunch of different type of colors, and they look beautiful. I'm actually excited to grow my collection because I am kind of obsessed. And you know, when you have an obsession with a pair of sneakers and you want to get a different type of kind of colorway or styles, this would be the one for me. Now lastly, I want to mention is the price point. The price point I'm gonna quickly say, because obviously depending where you live, depending on the retailer, on the discounts, on the where you buy it in store, online, it changes. However, I bought mine for £440. You'll find them also 480, mostly 450, just under £500. In terms of the price point, obviously it's not the cheapest. It is a designer brand. Margiela is a luxury designer brand. You pay for the quality, you pay for the craftsmanship, and you pay for something that will last you for years and years and years if you look after it. I found the price point actually reasonable in terms of the kind of comfort, in terms of the craftsmanship, in terms of how well this brand is, obviously. And if you compare it to the other designer brands like Dior or Gucci or something, obviously it's gonna be more expensive. So I feel like comparing to other prices, I think the price point is quite reasonable and quite okay-ish for a designer brand. And lastly, would I recommend you guys to go and check them out and go and get yourself a Margiela Replica shoes? 100% yes. I would definitely go and get them. They are amazing and I'm excited to wear them. Now, quickly side note, I also got the Margiela tabby shoes. I bought them and I returned them the next day. The reason why is because that I ordered them online, obviously, and I tried them on in the house. But for me, the whole tabby kind of discomfort of the separating my big toe is not for me. Maybe I was new into the game, maybe I need to wear them to kind of get used to them, but the first kind of instant kind of impression, it wasn't me at all. So that's why I stick with the replica collection. So you guys, this was it with the Maison Margiela Replica sneakers / trainers or shoes review video. Hope you guys found this video all informative and helpful. And if there are any other things you guys want to know about these shoes, then please do let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, TikTok, Instagram, all at Drama Blogger. I have nothing else to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.